Hey everyone, Josh Smith here. This is the 2020 Toyota Supra. It's finally back. This is what you need to know about the all-new Supra. So for the first time in 21 years, the Supra is back in the US, and with it we have that familiar two-seat driver-focused sports car. Under the hood we have a 335 horsepower turbocharged inline 6-cylinder engine, and that's going to deliver 365 pound-foot of torque. That's all connected to an 8-speed transmission with paddle shifters inside. You're going to be able to choose from normal and sport driving modes. In sport mode, the traction and stability control is going to come in a little bit later, and you're going to also have better throttle response along with increased steering weight. And finally, you get more aggressive active differential tuning and an amplified exhaust sound. You're also going to be able to use the launch control option to get off the line faster. Toyota says the Supra should do 0 to 60 in 4.1 seconds and have a top track speed of 155 miles per hour. You're going to be able to choose from the 3.0 and the 3.0 Premium Edition. There's also a special launch edition available. As far as paint options go, you're going to have Renaissance Red, you're also going to have Nitro Yellow, Downshift Blue, and there is an available Phantom Matte Gray that looks like it will really stand out. And the first Supra off the line is actually going to be that Phantom Matte Gray, and it's going to go up for auction. The cockpit really wraps the driver while the passenger has a little bit more room, but there are bolsters on both the seats, and you're also going to find padded areas throughout the cabin so that if you're doing some aggressive driving, you're not going to be knocking your knees into hard plastics. Sport seats include head restraints, and the 3.0 Premium grade features heated leather trim seats, while the 3.0 uses Alcantara power seats with memory. As far as tech goes on the inside, you'll get wireless Apple CarPlay, a 12-speaker JBL audio system, and wireless phone charging. The 2020 Supra starts at $49,990. You'll be able to purchase it soon. The 3.0 Premium is $53,990, and the Launch Edition is $55,250. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please give us a like, comment with your favorite Supra feature, and subscribe for more from Gotta Be Mobile.